Oh, you're no fun.
Where's that tape go, Rob?
It's gorgeous.
The masking
Why don't you
tape?
take a couple of those in your nose?
I don't know. You want me to? Okay, Ashley. We'll check back with you when it's time to open gifts. How's that? Okay. Is he? Yeah, he just kind of.
This is photogenic.
Ashley. What?
This is photogenic face.
Oh, he's
Ashley.
being a serious boy.
Oh, look at
Well, my
you.
Well, you have to like take.
Oh, let's get both of them together. Oh, there we go. That's really cute. I like that.
Well, actually,
You
my
sweetie
fault.
pie.
Rather
Looks like the
famous
Tin Man.
Oh.
These black beans are kind of tangy.
Are they?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's okay.
There you go, sweetie. Don't you look cute? The two of you. Okay,
So
now.
we both, Ashley and I, begin to howl.
Yes. There you go.
Hey, see now, who knows how to get the dogs to howling? Because we want
Ashley
to
do.
film this, huh?
Ashley can.
Okay.
This is instead of singing happy birthday.
Josie.
Josie's
They won't do it.
She's in a straight
They
place.
point their nose in the air. You're on film, Laura, at this point.
Sometimes at home they just begin to howl.
And there's another guest.
Yeah, there's some red
I can't
Hey
believe
there.
you would actually come to this, right?
I know.
confused about whether or not I should for some time. Right.
That's above and beyond.
It sure is.
It's his birthday boy.
There he is.
There he is.
Oh.
You're trying to get them to
Boy,
howl.
more presents, Ashley. You're making a haul, dude. So far, Ashley doesn't look too happy.
Have a seat,
Oh,
man.
okay.
No, I was gonna get some more birthday hats.
Much better.
Ever since he was in the paper. It was just kind of a downer from
I
now
know.
on in. The highlight of his life.
15 minutes of fame is over.
Ashley,
That's it.
Ashley, let's see you, dude. Oh, you look so beautiful. You just look so beautiful, honey. On your 10th birthday.
Yeah, that's his sister.
You sweetie. Are you having a good time yet?
And that's, she and Robin at her wedding. That's what she
Put this hat up a little.
Give him a little dignity, huh? Okay, now we'll scan the room. Uh-oh, this thing keeps flashing saying there's something wrong with the tape.
Does that mean there's not enough light?
Ah, I think.
Do you remember when we used to do this down on Burnside, Robin?
Mm-hmm,
Oh, really?
I do.
Yep.
It's a battery light?
Now it keeps on saying tape.
I would drive the
Tape?
VW bus and
Okay, tell us when you're rolling. We're rolling. Oh, you're rolling. Okay, here's me and my boy on his 10th birthday, and we're gonna open his presents now. Right, Ashley? Having fun yet? Okay, Ashley, which one do you want first?
Put yours on, Jan.
I know.
Yeah, really, Mom, you're not being a very good party.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Look at, she drew Ashley on there.
Oh,
Very,
it's beautiful.
very.
You should say that.
Okay, now hold it up, Robin, because I'm gonna zoom in. Hey, I'm gonna get my video techniques down. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, Ashley, do you see this? This is your present, honey? Okay, we may have to take the hat off if he gets a little excited for this part. Okay,
That's
It's quite a
dude.
scrutiny out there, Corey.
No kidding, I'm used to doing this with my other eye.
The light's blinking. Does that mean it's working?
It says record.
His nose is telling him something
Yeah, he's
good
the
is
best there.
inside.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
So that's not.
You just want mom to help you.
Presents, Daddy. Gabby loves
Oh,
Look at that.
All right.
Look at that.
Score.
Yeah.
Shaking with anticipation.
All right.
finding
Okay.
a way.
He says, well, but what about that? But what about that?
Okay. Now you want to do this one next? Come here, honey. Come here.
No presents.
He says, who took my turkey treat?
That's a great picture of Ashley on there, Kari. That's
Come
great.
here, honey. Okay.
Do you see that little picture of Ashley she drew? Is that neat?
Okay, honey.
There's the kids.
Oh.
Ashley, come here, honey.
Mom, there's gonna be a complete video of you eating all those corn curls.
maybe I should put the one that's on the
Will be visible as
Is
evidence.
this for you?
You want a
Honey,
picture of
look.
me eating a dog pepperoni?
Oh, you love these. Look at that.
Ooh, what are those?
Oh,
Dinner.
yum.
Dinners.
Dinners.
Who got it?
All
I like
right.
those chocolate drops.
No, mine's that one.
Oh,
Who bought
let's,
the select dinners?
maybe we need to open.
Who are the
those.
select dinners
Oh.
from? We wanna know who bought the select.
Those are for me. Honey,
Look at him.
do you want one of your jerky treats?
Very I'm just gonna rip that right out of your hand.
Oh, all right. Now you're really gonna score, honey. Hey, come on, let's do it over
Are you
here
gonna
so you
share?
can see your face. Yes, she's gonna share.
Kind of zoom in on the grub there, Kari.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I did.
Yummy. All right, now we starting to enjoy this party.
It's part of it.
Oh, good. All right. Now, how about if we share with your guests?
What was that?
Let's see.
Okay, you want to give one to Gabster?
Just a little piece. She only a tiny piece of it. They got it. She don't like much turkey treats.
All right, Mom and Linda, you need your party hats on.
Wow.
You need party hats on.
Okay, great. Hey, Teddy, want to give Teddy this one here?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about
David,
one for
you need a
Josie?
party hat as well.
You want to give one to Josie?
Yeah, Josie. Josie.
Okay.
My girl is not here.
I know, where is she in Bo?
I can't find her
She saw
anywhere.
us drive up
What do you
here.
expect? There's a little room full of dogs.
I know. She's smart. Teddy. Come here, Teddy.
I was gonna feed him this one, is that okay?
Hey, Barry, we need Bo in the video.
Ted.
Poor cat.
What is it saying?
Yeah,
Tape
at,
again.
at dog party.
You gonna get a hat on Bo?
Hey, we need to borrow Ashley's hat.
Oh, no, that's a
How about
birthday
this
boy
one?
hat.
Let's borrow Ashley's.
Ashley's not gonna like that.
It's saying tape again. What does that mean?
Just kind of push the side in. It's because the tape.
He's the only cat I know who'll lay on his back like that. Well, now do that?
Hey.
There, isn't he a handsome kitty?
You said
His eyes are just glowing in this thing.
Look at, oh. Come here. I know you're very brave to be here with all these dogs.
Okay, you need to turn your face a little bit, or turn him to the light a little bit more. There we go, we see you. Oh, perfect. Okay, now let me zoom out a little bit more.
Oh.
You're such a good boy. Thanks, Bo. I know you love me, dude. Okay, nice Bo video. All right. Did you see that? He put his paw right here on my face. All right.
Being a ham.
Yeah, he does.
Should we go get Maya now?
I can't find her. If you want to go try to call her.
Okay, good going. All right. Oh, wow, let's do Jan. Look at Ashley. Hey, we need this up close. Look at that
Oh,
beautiful
very
package.
Uh-oh,
The cat's rebelling.
the cat's freaking.
Very pretty.
Very nice.
You're going to want to edit this, Robin.
You're not going to,
Well, yeah, of course, that's part of the fun.
you're not going to
Listening all
watch
the
your baby
bloopers.
card aloud.
Oh, I am.
Hey, I'm getting
Teddy?
some of Ashley's treats over here, and Ashley was looking at me with this serious look on her face.
What are you doing?
Yeah. You don't read that one.
No, people can pass this one around and enjoy it.
Okay.
No, I want to hear it. Come put it in front of the camera.
Oh, he gets an illegal license.
Yeah.
Cool.
They sent me a second one, I thought, oh my God. This is the mommy.
Oh, and there's my Katie. There she is.
Oh.
You can't
Oh,
steal.
yeah,
You
get
can't
her in
steal
the-
that picture,
I
David.
know,
Mine
I
stole mine.
Yeah, that's true.
That's when Robert's left all these news
Yeah,
on your
that's right.
refrigerator and all.
Ashley, do you see
Poor
that
little
this is
thing.
a goodie for you?
I think it was a little tight.
Do you see that?
Oh my gosh.
That would mean she couldn't close her eyes though, right?
Well, she tried that. Okay. Teddy, get out of the present.
He wants his own party.
If you live to be a
Come here,
hundred,
Ash.
maybe.
Ashley, you know Gabrielle's birthday is May 29th.
Oh, cute. It's May 29th?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Same as yours.
Mine is my birthday present, so she's kind of my birthday girl too.
Ashley, you're
Well, we don't really. This really runs in the Clark family then, doesn't it?
29th, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the present for you.
Jim's and yours and President Kennedy.
And Gabby.
Oh yeah, he's one of the family.
Ashley, maybe kind of.
Hmm.
Here, Ashley.
Oh boy, this looks like quite a deluxe present. What is it?
Whoa. Whoa.
More jerky trees.
Whoa, that is a hell of a
That's
supply
great.
there.
See, dude?
We gotta open them up so we can smell.
Hi there, honey.
No.
See, more jerky trees, honey.
I was shaking.
Oh, wow.
Where's,
Yeah. Pretty decent, huh?
Where's Julie? I thought she'd be here.
Oh no.
She's ridiculous.
Let's see here.
I think that's our dog that much.
Come here.
Come here.
What's this?
Ashley, look at a halter.
Oh,